Hey, greetings and hello to all our wonderful friends in Hungary. Aiden and I are coming to you live from the home office. We have so many fond and loving memories of being with you in Hungary, and we really wish we could be there celebrating with you in person, but we thought this is the second best thing, is to share a little message with you and our thoughts about Hungary. 22 years we're celebrating there. It's amazing. And I can still remember coming to Hungary the very first time, almost 22 years ago, when you just started the business and working with Sandor. It's been wonderful all these years, Sandor. You are a man of commitment, of a man that works extremely hard, and you've developed a deep passion for Forever, and we're really proud of all that you've done to help Forever be so successful in Hungary and in all the surrounding countries there. And Aiden, you've spent a lot of time in Hungary too, and you've worked with Sandor and a lot of the staff there. What are some memories you have?
Yeah, it's incredible to think it's been 22 years. You think about the European rallies we had there, the massive trips that we've enjoyed visiting Chirac Castle. I remember we were just talking the other day about playing soccer out in Chirac Castle, and you guys put us on the Serbian team. So I think we won.
We won.
Yeah. So hello everyone from Serbia and Croatia and all the South Slavic friends that are there. We miss you guys. We wish so much we could be there with you. I want to say hello to all of the leaders on the front row down there. We love you guys, and it's good to see you all. And Mickey, I hope you enjoyed your check from the Global Rally, and all of you that joined us in Stockholm. Thanks for coming. And your GLT members, it's great to have Attila and Katie down here. Thank you for all you do. And of course, Zabo Joseph and all of the hard work that he's done over the years. And we're grateful for him. And Lenke Peter and for what you've done to help the company grow so well there. But most of all, for every one of you for giving up your time and coming to this event today to be able to see great people recognized for their hard work. People that have sacrificed, that have worked hard year after year, and be able to build themselves a legacy of success. And what's amazing about Hungary is we've seen it go up, we've seen it level off, and now we're seeing sales go back up again. And that's wonderful to see, because we know that means that your bonus checks are getting bigger. So set yourself great goals. Be mindful of the Eagle Manager program. And Greg, I know you love the Eagle Manager program. You've seen success all over the world. And I think probably we could see more Eagle Managers in Hungary.
I most definitely think this year we're going to see many more Eagle Manager qualifiers. We know that because your sales are going up. And we know when we follow Eagle Manager qualifications, it teaches us the very basics of what we need to do in our business. And you guys are proof of that. You're showing that. So don't lose sight of that. If you continue every year to keep your eye on those Eagle Manager qualifications, you'll do the basics, you'll invite new people to come in, you'll continue to see your business to grow. And that's exactly what we want you to do, is build this business as the company name is, Forever. Absolutely. That it lasts forever. And I can tell you, Joseph and Mickey and all you guys that have been around for so long, 22 years ago, I think I had a little more hair, and
I know I had a little less.
I'm now getting a little more hair on my chin, I think, and Joseph now lost all his hair there, right? And
Joseph looks great.
He does. He looks 10, 20 years younger.
Oh, don't forget Lamjowskis.
And the Lamjowskis.
Yeah, they've got to be there, right?
Absolutely. And I remember going to their house for a big party once, and celebrating with all the great FBOs in Serbia. So guys, you are wonderful. You are definitely in our hearts. We love you. We care about you. We want 22 plus more years of success for you, for us, and for Forever. So keep your smile on. Keep going out and sharing these incredible products we have. Keep sharing this amazing business opportunity we have that helps others become more confident, more secure in their future, and we share the happiness with them, which only brings happiness to us, right?
Absolutely. Good luck. We love you all, and we'll see you soon. Kusanem.
Kusanam. Thank you.